Hello, sir.
Hello! How are you?
I am good, sir. What about you?
I am great.
Could you tell us about an average day in your life?
Sure, I get up early, at 7 in the morning. Then I have breakfast. After breakfast, I go to the gym.
Which scene are you working on today?
I'm acting out a scene about an angry lover.
That's very interesting. What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I go home and have dinner and study my scripts.
Do you go out at night?
Not always, I like going out at weekends.
So when are we going to see you on the big screen next?
Soon. I have signed a movie.
When is the releasing date of that movie?
It will get released in December.
Your fans have been eagerly waiting for your movie for quite some time long.
I really want to thank all my fans for their support.
We will definitely pass on your message to your fans. Could you please tell me something about your upcoming movie?
It's an action plus romantic movie. I am the main protagonist who portrays a role of an honest police officer who eventually gets trapped by some venal politicians.
Wow, that's interesting.
Ha ha ha. Let's see how everything pans out.
And who is the lead actress of this movie? We would also like to know about her.
Jessica Alba is the lead actress. She is playing the role of a politician's daughter. That's enough of the information about the movie, I guess. Let's keep something for the trailer as well.
Yes, we totally agree. We all are really excited to see the trailers of your upcoming movie. Hey, Tyler. Long time, no see.
Sylvia. I haven't seen you here at the gym for ages.
Yeah, I've just been too busy to work out.
How's school going?
Everything's okay except for an 8 o'clock math class I have.
That is early. Say, it isn't Math 204, is it?
Yes, it is. Why?
Oh, a friend of mine is in that class.
Really? What's his name?
Zach Peterson. Do you know him?
I think so. What color is his hair?
He's a carrot top.
Yeah, that's him. He likes the morning math class as much as I do.